Hello everyone, I'm Arjun from FIBBA and today I'm going to explain an AI tool launched by Google, that is Google Gemini. As you all know, AI is replacing jobs these days, so it becomes very important to learn more about these type of AI softwares. So let's just start with the user interface of Google Gemini. As you all can see, the user interface of Google Gemini is very beginner friendly and easy to use. So here, there's an option given as new chat where you can start a new chat with Gemini. Here's the expand menu where you can expand this bar and just see your old chats with Gemini. I won't be able to explain all the features of Gemini in this particular video, so I'll be explaining some basic, maybe two or three features of Gemini in this video. So let's start with the first feature of Gemini, that is summarizing things. So for example, I want to know about World War II, but I don't have much time to read all the books and all the articles on the internet. So what I'll do is I'll just go to a random website like Wikipedia. I'll just copy all the information from there and paste it into Gemini and ask Gemini to summarize this information. And in a few seconds, Gemini will summarize all the information, and all the keywords that Gemini gives me are very easy to understand. So yeah, this was the first feature of Gemini. So let's talk about the second feature of Gemini, that is creating image. So for example, college has given me an assignment and I want to put some images in the assignment, but I don't want any copyrights on my image. So what I'll do is I'll just create an image with the help of Gemini. So for an example, I want to create an image of a deer. So create an image of a deer eating grass. So I asked Gemini to create an image of a deer eating grass. So it might take a few seconds. Sometimes when the servers are busy, it might take a minute or two, but yeah, let's wait. So yeah, as you all can see that Gemini has created this image and this image looks very realistic. But sometimes if you're not satisfied with the image, you can just ask Gemini to create a prompt. Like for example, create a prompt of hyper realistic. So I asked Gemini to create a prompt of hyper realistic image of a deer eating grass. So it will create a prompt and I'll use it in some website like leonardo.ai, or you can use any website of your choice. So let's just wait for the prompt. So as you all can see that Gemini has given me a prompt. This is a very detailed prompt. So I'll just copy this prompt from here and I'll just put it in some website like Leonardo and I'll just paste it here. Generate and as you can see, it has created some very realistic pictures of a deer. So what Gemini does here is it acts as a base for all these other AI softwares. So it just gives us the prompt and we just have to copy and paste it in other AI softwares. So let's talk about the next feature of Gemini, that is creating music. So I'll just ask Gemini to create an R&B track. So as you all can see that Gemini has created an R&B track. Let's hear
Soft light on your velvet fur, a stillness in the green. These quiet roots remember all.
As you can see that the quality of the track is very good. No one can guess the difference if it's created by an AI or a human. So yeah, the quality of the track is really good. So these were some of the features of Gemini that I were wanted to explain because these were like really cool features. There are many other features of Gemini like Canvas where you can partner with other people to create or build something. And there's a feature of deep research. What deep search does is it doesn't only search on the surface level of the internet. Deep search deeply researches a particular thing that you want. So yeah, this is a very helpful feature for office employees, I would say, and also for the college students. So yeah, these were some of the features of Gemini, and I hope you like this video. Thank you.